Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or disable your Binance account in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Binance app or go to www.binance.com and log in into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click Settings. Scroll down until you see the section Privacy here and Delete Account. Just click this and choose the reason why you want to delete your account. Continue. Click Continue again. Here you can see your remaining assets. After you decide to delete your account, just tick this box. Once confirmed, your account will be disabled or deleted based on your choice. And that's it. Your Binance account is now disabled or deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.